Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disallow chat requests on your account on Reddit easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings and now you will find here allow chat requests. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off, and that's how to disallow chat requests on your account on Reddit easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.